Little cloud. Wow, kids, look at this. It's a big, beautiful, shiny dress. Are you ready? Let's start. First, I draw the shape of the dress. Slowly, carefully. Wow, the dress shape looks amazing. Now look at the top of the dress. Oh, a cute bow. So pretty, so lovely.
I clap my hands, I spin around. My happy dress makes joyful sound. Soft and silky, it hugs me tight. I wear it morning, noon, and night. With every
And now,
step it
it's
sways
color
and
time.
sings. A dress
Yay!
of magic joy it brings.
I take my bright, sunny yellow color and I color the dress. Up, down, left, right. Wow, it's shining like the sun. Look, kids, the dress is getting brighter and brighter. So beautiful, so happy.
Smile across my face. I clap, I stomp, I spin with glee. My happy dress and I are free. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Ribbons bounce and sparkles gleam. It's the dress of every dream. I clap my hands, I spin around. My happy dress makes joyful sound. Soft and silky, it hugs me tight. I wear it morning, noon, and night. With every step it sways and sings. A dress of magic joy it brings. I twirl in circles, jump up high. The clouds above seem to sigh. The wind joins in.
Now I use my marker
hand.
again.
My dress and I
Trace,
are
trace,
best of
trace.
friends.
Nice and neat. Ta-da! The dress is ready.
Paints a smile across my
D,
face.
D,
I clap,
D.
I stomp, I
D
spin
is
with
for
glee. My
dress.
happy dress
Say it with me,
and I are
kids.
free.
D is for dress.
Yeah, yeah.
Great job, my little artists. Keep smiling, keep coloring. See you in the next fun video. Bye-bye. Wow! Little cloud.